We've got a really nice pick-em-up truck here. 1970 GMC 1500. Really, a couple of us were just talking off camera what a nice truck it is. A 383 stroker, sniper, fuel injection, 5-speed, tilt, upgraded wheels, brakes, suspension. It's got it all going on. Go to volocars.com. You'll see over 200 classic cars. They all have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, this is PPG Lime Green Poly. And boy, they did a nice job. This is buffed out like glass. The metal flake is laid out evenly. There's nothing here I don't like. This all looks good. A little bit of sparkle really looks sharp. Same thing with the fender. It's all looking really good. Looks like they eliminated emblems for a nice clean look. The door is looking just as nice, all square, flush, beautiful. I did notice earlier there's a little blister right there, size of my pinky nail at the bottom of the fender. Shuts nice. The bed is in excellent shape. It's a short bed, obviously. Tailgate's all looking good. I like the white GMC. That really stands out. When the light hits, it's got that golden color. It's beautiful. This side's just as nice, straight, no issues. Beautiful. And this is like a pearly white paint. Metal flake white paint for sure. And that looks really sharp with the green. All the glass was replaced. All the way around, it was all replaced. It has a cargo light up there, new rubber gaskets around the vent windows. Mirrors new, wipers are shiny. So as it comes around the front, wow, there's a lot of chrome up here. That's all sharp looking. It's all beautiful. GMC emblems. You can tell it's lowered, has lowering springs on it. Marker lights look like they've been replaced. Antenna looks new. Got a mirror on this side as well. Those are 20-inch American Racing torque thrust wheels. They look like they call something like a black chrome. Looks like it has a little black tint to it. It's really sharp. And I love the green Baer brakes behind the wheels. We'll talk about those more in a little bit. They're wrapped in some nice tires, Toyo tires. Bumpers replated. Now this tonneau cover, we actually had it off. We just put it on for the pictures. It's one of those that clamps on. It's completely removable. If you liked it without the tonneau cover, no problem. That can be off in 5 minutes. Why don't we open it up? I got a lot more good stuff to show you. Didn't mention the lights were all upgraded with LEDs, or at least the reverse lights and tail lights are. Tailgate functions very nicely. The whole inside is clean, solid metal sprayed with a rhino lining, so you can actually use this. Now the gas tank was relocated under the truck, so there's the flush-mounted fuel filler. So again, with the tonneau and with the rhino lining, this is really a usable truck. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon. You'll be notified when new videos are posted. Do check out our website too. You'll see some really cool stuff. The jambs and the inside of the doors are painted just as slick as the outside. And I love the white interior. You got white door panels, new window cranks and handles. Look at the whole dash area is beautiful. All the chrome sparkling, all the instrumentation is all real nice. Dakota digital gauges. They're all looking really good. Dash pads replaced. This is that same pearl white that's up on top of the truck. Air conditioned vents new. GM, that's pretty cool. Right on the retro stereo. Electronic vintage air controls. 12-volt receptacle. You got an indicator for the fuel injection. Gives you all the statistics on the motor. This looks like it's new. The vents, all that looks fresh. Kick panel speakers. Got some real nice carpeted mats over the carpeted floor. A Hurst 5-speed shifter. That's what makes this truck really special. Most are automatics. And check this out. The Houndstooth deluxe upholstery. Has retractable shoulder belts have been added. As the light, as the headliner overhead. Hangs down a little bit. Visors look real good. The mirror looks real good. Has a deluxe steering wheel on a tilt column. It has a new wiring harness inside here too with the push button fuse panel. So a lot of upgrades on the inside of this truck. A lot of nice options. It's a luxury truck. Okay, so the marker lights are LEDs as well. I left the lights on. So look how fresh and clean this is. There is about 4,900 miles on the truck. You can tell they took really good care of it. It is a 383 stroker motor. Edelbrock intake, looks like it's ceramic coated or powder coated. A sniper fuel injection system on top. You got HEI ignition in the back. And look how the air cleaner and the valve covers and the breather, they all have the same theme going on. Looks like we have some lights, probably a switch inside. The whole engine bay is all clean, painted very nicely, tidy, looking really good. The whole front runner system is serpentine belt, AC Delco compressor, chrome Power Master alternator. And then up front here, keeping it running cool, is aluminum radiator with dual electric fans, overflow bottle, horns hooked up, new master cylinder and booster. All that looks very fresh. Hydraulic clutch reservoir. The wiring in the engine looks new as well. And then look at the green paint under the hood. Someone did a really nice job. They took their time, showed a lot of pride. Now Michael's going to show you how it runs. We'll see you in a minute.
Everybody got a really sweet GMC pickup here. It's done up real nice. 383 stroker under the hood. It's got fuel injection on there too. And we also got a 5-speed manual transmission. Just gonna have a lot of fun inside this one. Looks really good. Feels good so far. Again, got that turnkey reliability, the fuel injection system, and seems to be a great truck. Our shop thought it was a really great truck also. We have a very small service bill on this one, totaling only $1,100. A large chunk of that was spent on a new AC compressor. And yeah, she's just really dialed in. Got a great feel, super smooth power steering here. 4-wheel power disc brakes. And that's a really nice Baer kit that they got on there. So let traffic clear up a little bit. Oh yeah, that nice sounding exhaust too. Really can't go wrong in this one. Beautiful white houndstooth and nice and comfortable. Well, let's see what she's got. All right. Just like that, up to highway speeds, absolutely no problem. Let's pop her into 5th gear, see where she's sitting. At about 58 miles an hour, we're looking at about, I think, 1,600 RPMs. Goes down the road nice and straight. I mean, this is a good build, guys. Very dialed in. It just feels fantastic. If you want to come test drive it for yourself, you are more than welcome to do so. Just contact our sales department, and they will be happy to arrange that for you. Other than that, check out all the pictures and details on volocars.com.
So when's the tailgate party? I love the sound of a good old-fashioned tailgate closing. So underneath has been very well restored too. A lot of upgraded suspension parts. We talked about the lowering springs. All the steering's rebuilt. It has Ride Tech HQ Fox adjustable shocks at all 4 corners. Nice 2.5-inch exhaust going out the back. Sounds really nice. All new fuel system. Has the Holly fuel pump in the tank. A couple tiny little nicks up here on the front. So yeah, the fuel system, the exhaust, all that's redone. The Baer brakes, the calipers were painted in that, or anodized in that bright green. That's really cool. Big slotted and drilled rotors. Calipers up front are really big. I don't know if they're 6-piston, but those are some big calipers. The whole brake system, the lines, cables, all that's been redone. You look up at the motor, it's real nice and clean. It is a TKO 600 Tremec 5-speed manual trans, hydraulic clutch, 12-bolt rear end with 355 posi gears, custom fuel tank underneath there. It looks like it's stainless steel. Really, really nice truck right here. Go to volocars.com. Salesman can help answer your questions, including how you're going to get your GMC delivered to your door and how to get it financed if you need help with that too. Thanks for watching.